Hi, I'm Emily, your next-gen AI efficiency agent. I communicate in natural language to respond simple business queries and also book appointments.
Hi, you've reached Smile Dental Clinic. My name is Emily. How can I help you?
Hi Emily, could you book an appointment for me for 4th November?
Great! I'll need your full name and phone number first. Can you please provide those?
My name is John Abraham and my phone number is
Thank you, John.
812-496-789.
Thanks, John. Let me check the available slots for November 4th. Please hold on a moment. The available slots on November 4th are 8 a.m., 10 a.m., 1 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., and 5 p.m. Do you have a preferred time?
Can you book me for 4 a.m. please?
I'm sorry, but 4 a.m. isn't available. Would you prefer 3 p.m. or 5 p.m.?
Can you book me 10 a.m.?
All set. Your appointment is booked for November 4th at 10 in the morning.
What are your office hours by the way?
Our office hours are Monday to Saturday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. We're closed on Sundays. Would you like to know anything else?
And what kind of services do you provide?
We offer general dentistry, preventive care, cosmetic dentistry, and dentures. If you'd like more details about any specific service, just let me know.
And what is your emergency number?
The emergency number is +11111123456778. Please call only if it's a true dental emergency. Anything else I can assist with?
No, thank you very much Emily. Have a good day.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you for contacting Smile Dental Clinic. Have a great day.